Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kutak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 23rd and 24th September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our channel Be EduCare Official on Instagram. The first current affair for the day is Reserve Bank of India cancels license of Lakshmi Cooperative Bank. This is a Maharashtra-based bank. The reason is lack of adequate capital upon the liquidation of the bank. Every depositor will be entitled to receive a deposit insurance claim amount to rupees 5 lakh. As per the central bank, Lakshmi Cooperative Bank, with its present financial position, will be unable to pay its current depositors and the public interest. On the basis of the bank data, around 99% of the depositors are entitled to receive the full amount of the deposits from the deposit insurance. Book on PM Modi's speeches titled Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks has been released. It is a collection of selected speeches of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which was released at Akshawani Bhavan in New Delhi. The book is titled Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks and portrays the PM's vision of New India. The book was released by former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur, and Governor of Kerala. The book provides a unique opportunity for the intellectuals, historians, and people to get a glimpse of the steps taken by the Government of India. The External Affairs Minister of India, S. Jaishankar, hosted the G4 meeting of the foreign ministers. The foreign ministers of Brazil, Japan, and Germany attended the meeting hosted by S. Jaishankar. The minister reiterated the joint committees to work towards the next text-based negotiations that led to the reformed multi-terrorism. Former India captain Dilip Tirke has been elected as the new hockey president. He was an unopposed new hockey president. The first question for the day is, when is the International Day of Sign Language observed? The next question is, which country will host the BRICS chairship in the year 2023? The next question for the day is, which is the first e-commerce company to set up solar farms in India? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The fourth question is, Defense Ministry signs the deal for dual role surface to surface BrahMos missile with which company? The answers to the questions asked in the previous meeting are as follows. As per the recent Asian Development Outlook update, what is 2022-23 growth projection for India's economy? The correct answer is 7%. IHCI is a hypertension control initiative launched by which country? The correct answer is India. Which union ministry is associated with Criminal Procedure Identification Bill? The correct answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Shout out to Rujusha, Harsh Tosar, Neha, Shiraj Kulkarni, Zakia Khan, and Priya for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Don't forget guys that Be EduCare is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner will get an opportunity to win an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week for commenting regularly of the answers asked in the quiz. That's it guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, share this video to your friends and your colleagues. For classroom, recorded lecture, books, ebooks and test facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens. Also join our Telegram group. The link is available in the description box below for regular updates.